Today we're going to show you how to breathe easy by changing your cabin air filter. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Now, one of the best things that you can do to your car, especially if you just got it or maybe it has a few thousand miles on it, is change your cabin air filter. It's going to get rid of some funky smells, and it's just going to make the air that you're breathing overall cleaner. So let's get started with the install. Now, this job is super simple to do at home, and all you're going to need is a 10 mil, maybe some kind of extension, and a ratchet, and then also just a handful of Torx bits, and that's really all you need. Now, the filter and the process is going to be the exact same if you have an F80, an F82, if you have an F83, if you have an F30, F32, and so forth, and they actually use the exact same filter. So with that, let's get started. Now, the first part of this process, we need to remove this under plastic because this is where your cabin air filter lies. Now, to do this, you're going to need your 10 mil. There's a little 10 millimeter nut over here, and there's also one over here. So at this time, let's remove those two 10 millimeter nuts. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start to pull this down. Now keep in mind, if you have a 12 volt over here, you're gonna need to disconnect that, and you're also going to disconnect the light. So to get this down, just take your fingers under here like this, and just very carefully slide your hand along the edge. There are just 3 clips. There's one over here, there's one over here, and then there's one over here. So now that I have this lowered, I can disconnect my 12 volt over here, and then you have the light over here. Here's a quick little tip. When you're doing this, if you just grab your floor mat, it'll help your knees from being on the pavement or rocks. Now we're gonna take a T20. There are 2 screws that need to be released. There's one right here, and then there's one over here. Next, there's a little clip over here. You just kind of pull it out and pull it down a little bit, and then there's one over here at the end. Again, you just kind of push it out and pull it down. And then this entire piece is gonna, oh man, that looks disgusting already. This is gonna slide out of the way, and then you're just gonna take this and you're gonna pull it out just like that. All right, so if you look in here, look how disgusting this is. You see all that crap? This is all the stuff. I mean, this thing's disgusting. This is what we're breathing in right now. This is gross. So let's compare it to our new one. So as you can see, here's our new one and here's our old one. Our old one, unfortunately, is just filled with this crap. I'm gonna try to not dump it out. You can just see how filthy everything is. When I spread it like this, you can see how the center line is clean and everything else is just filthy. So let's get rid of this one, put it in that safe place, and then we're gonna show you how to install the new one. Now, before we chuck this one for good, it is going to give us a good clue about how the air is flowing. So it was in the car like this, and if you look at the arrow is pointing down. So basically the arrow is going to face going from the rear of your car to the front of your car. So we're gonna take our new air filter, we're gonna take it from the rear of the car to the front. I'm gonna curve it around. And we're gonna push it up just like that. Then you can put it back in the reverse order. You're gonna slide this up. Now, one thing you're gonna notice when you're reinstalling this, the screw is going to go in this hole over here. And there's a little plastic peg that goes in this hole and also the larger hole on the other side. So make sure that you line those 2 up, and then you can start to snap everything back in. Then you can take your light. I'm gonna plug that in. Don't lose this connection if you have the 12 volt. I'm gonna slide this back. Connect the plug. Make sure that you're going around the airbag. Pop it in. And with that, the installation is complete, and now we can breathe easy in the F80. Now, one important thing to note, I know we already went through it, but if you noticed, I did it wrong in the last video because whoever from the factory, I guess, installed it last, they put it in backwards. But once again, You want to be conscious that the airflow is going in the way of the arrow. So as you can see, mine from the factory was bent down like this, and you know that it's right because there's all this kind of dirt and there's like grass and just random bugs and other stuff in there. So this is definitely the correct way to do it. This is the correct way to do it. It takes you a couple minutes and all you need is that 10 mil and a T20. If it's time for you to change your air filter, be sure to see the links in the description. We have links to the actual product that we used in today's video, in addition to the tools. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.